Girl.
She asked me, was her snoring getting better? Heck no. That's why I be trying to go to sleep first.
You having too much fun. Take your ass to bed.
She needs some of this olive oil mist, energizing spray, refresher spray. Wake your ass up.
What is that stuff? What is it?
Wake your ass up. Refresher spray. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Olive oil.
Girl. God, no.